Good evening. Today, let's look into four beauty pageants. So these are at the international level, and these four are considered to be big four. And I would like to share some information with you. These are the events that are happening for a few years, and they are happening very regularly, annual events. And with respect to Miss Universe, it was held on December 17th, right? And who is the winner of this Miss Universe title, or this Miss World, or this Miss International, or Miss Earth? So these are the four important beauty pageants that happen annually. And with respect to the examination point of view, clear, with respect to examination point of view, who are the latest winners of this particular year, that is 2018? I'll give you the information, and I will also give you the information with respect to like when it was started, and what are the countries, which is the country that won all four in a single year, right? So like some information I'll give you, and along with that one, of course, India also won titles wonderfully. And what are those, and when India won? All these points I would like to show you now. I have the information. Straight away, I'll open the document and I'll show you the document. Let's have a discussion. So these are the important points, in fact. Clear, and you need to remember, there may be a possibility of a question. And since we know from current affairs point of view, anything may be a question, including Miss World, Miss Earth, Miss Universe, and Miss International, like this. So from these four, anything may be a question, or related questions may also be asked. So what are they? Those points I am going to share with you now. Kindly have a look at this now. Look at this. So when it comes to Miss Universe, with respect to the year 2018, it was a 67th Miss Universe pageant. It was held on 17th December 2018 in Thailand. Clear? Meaning yesterday. Today is December 18th. Right. So it was held on 17th December. And where it was held? It was held in Thailand. Look at this. So who is the winner? Kindly look at this. Catriona Gray of Philippines is the winner of the title, and she has been crowned by Demi Legnell. Uh, look at this, very important one. Uh, she is the Miss Universe for the year 2017, and she crowned her successor. Successor means the latest winner of this particular title, that is Catriona Gray of Philippines. So look at all the names. I have given the list here: Miss Universe, Miss World, Miss International, Miss Earth, and all are the latest ones, 2018. So if there is a question in the nearest future, one of these may be a question. Clear, one of the four may be a question in the examination, and you need to remember the names. Look at the names, please. Okay, Miss Universe, Miss World, Miss International, and Miss Earth. Look at this. So when it comes to Miss Universe, so this is an international beauty pageant. Kindly remember, my dear friends. So this is not external beauty, but internal beauty. The psychological strength will also be tested. So this is very, very important. Clear. That's the reason why, apart from various other things, like some questions will be asked, and the contestants should be able to answer those questions very quickly, very intelligently. Answers should be logical and rational, and you should be able to impress the judges. Clear? So then only, a person will be able to win the title. For example, if you look at, our people, very famous one, Aishwarya Rai, maybe this Sushmita Sen. Hope you know these two important women from India, very famous people. So they also took part in these events and they won it. Clear? So meaning is simple. So the psychological strength, the internal beauty will also be tested. That is very, very, very important. Clear? Now look at this. So it's organized by Miss Universe organization, and Miss Universe organization was established in the year 1952, and its motto of Miss Universe organization is that confidently beautiful. Confidently beautiful. Look at this. You know, there are four international beauty pageants collectively called Big Four. Very important one. They are collectively called Big Four. First is the Miss World, that was formed in the year 1951. Miss Universe since 1952. Miss International, otherwise called Miss International Beauty, since 1960. Miss Earth, it is the latest one that started in the year 2001. Okay, now I have some more information. Kindly keep looking at the document. Look at this very clearly. Brazil is the first country to win all the four international pageants. Very important question with respect to GK, general knowledge. Clear, they may ask you which is the country, which is the first country that won all the four international pageants. Clear, it happened in the year 2004, and by the year 2004, Brazil won all the four. Clear, followed by Venezuela, and it happened in the year 2005 for Venezuela, and Philippines is the third country to win all the four in the year 2013. Clear, and also note another important point. Venezuela is the first country to win all the four multiple times. Brazil won, but Venezuela, it won all the four multiple times, meaning more than one time. It happened in the year 2013. Very, very, very important one. You can see very clearly, Brazil is the first country to win all the four international pageants. Venezuela is the first country to win all the four multiple times. Kindly understand the difference. Clear? Brazil, at least one. Clear, but when it comes to Venezuela, it's more than one time. All the four, right? And look at this. France became the first nation in the world to win at least two of the big four beauty pageants titles in the same year, and it happened in the year 1953. Okay, and India also won. It happened in the year 1994 and also in the year 2000. Look at this. Clear, and during these 2 years, India won Miss Universe as well as a Miss World. Look at this. Another very important point with respect to Miss Universe contest. Very important one. These are the probable questions, right? These are the probable questions in the examination. Look at the name. Angela Pons, better known as the reigning Miss Spain, did not win the Miss Universe pageant on Sunday. That is yesterday. Okay, leave it now. Next, Pons became the first transgender woman to compete in the Miss Universe. Very, 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 very important one. Is that okay? Meaning is simple. Angela Pons became the first transgender woman to compete in Miss Universe. This is a very important point. And look at this. Very beautifully, Angela Pons said that it was an honor and pride to be part of the history of the pageant. Clear, very, very, very important one. For the examination point of view, you have to remember the name. Clear, Angela Pons, and this person belonged to Spain and became the first transgender woman to compete in Miss Universe. Am I clear? Who is the winner of the title in the year 2018? That is important for the examination point of view. Where it was held, that is also important. And when it comes to Angela Pons, because of this particular point, the first transgender woman to compete in Miss Universe, that is important for the examination point of view. Fine. So this is about this particular topic, and most of the things here, they are, these facts in nature, and it includes the latest current affairs and also, certain GK points. And I want you to remember each and every point very carefully. As I told you many times, that you are not supposed to neglect any point, maybe sports, maybe beauty, pageants like this, you know or this any cultural things, historical things, anything that happens, you are not supposed to neglect anything. So every mark is important for the examination point of view. And I'll stop at this stage, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow with more current affairs. Take very good care. Good night.